In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete bookmarks in Brave browser. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and a few helpful tips so you can keep your browser tidy without any guesswork. Start by opening your Brave browser. Give it a moment to load your home page or any tabs you had open previously. If you use Brave Sync, keep in mind that deleting a bookmark here will remove it on any devices connected to the same profile. So it's worth double-checking that you're working in the right profile before you begin. Now, move your mouse to the top of the window and hover over the area labeled Bookmarks and Lists. This is where Brave groups all your saved pages and folders. When you hover there, you should see a menu or panel appear. Don't click anything just yet. Hovering is enough to reveal the options you need. From that menu, click Bookmark Manager. This opens a dedicated page that shows your bookmarks in a clear, organized view. On the left, you'll see folders like the Bookmarks bar and other bookmarks. And on the right, the individual items inside whatever folder you've selected. If you prefer shortcuts, you can also open the Bookmark Manager directly with your system's standard shortcut for Brave, but using the menu is the simplest path if you're just getting started. Find the bookmark you want to remove. If you're not sure which folder it's in, use the search bar at the top of the manager to quickly locate it by name or URL. Once you've found the right item, look for the three dots next to that bookmark. This is the More Options menu for that specific item, and it's where Brave keeps actions like edit, copy, and delete. Click those three dots, and then choose Delete from the menu that appears. As soon as you confirm, the bookmark disappears from the list and is removed from your bookmarks bar and menus. If you're deleting a folder, remember that everything inside that folder goes with it, so be certain before you proceed. If you're using Sync, expect the change to reflect on your other devices shortly after. That's it. Open Brave, hover over Bookmarks and Lists, head into Bookmark Manager, open the three-dot menu on the item you don't need, and click Delete. Keeping your bookmarks lean makes it easier to find the sites you use every day, and it helps your browser feel more organized overall. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing with a cleaner, simpler Brave.